Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Hana Khairunnisa, and hello everyone. In this video for midterm academic writing course, and for those of you in college, especially in English major, you know the feeling. Writing an essay feels like running a marathon while solving math problem. Is exhausting. So today we're going to break down a really cool research article from the Studies English in English Language and Education Journal 2022, and the title Aspect of Writing Knowledge and English for the Language Student Writing Quality. This article was written by a great team of researchers Rofiko, Yazid Masatomi, Utami Widianti, Yudita Puspitasari, Saiful Marhaban, and Teguh Sulistyo. Essentially, this research wants to find out how important is our knowledge about writing and creating a good essay. Since this is the only text I choose where we are going to explore the findings from these researchers that could generally change how we approach learning to write. Let's get right to the core of it. After digging through the research, here's the most impactful thing I learned from this study. The authors classify writing knowledge into four main aspects. Number one, process, like how we plan, revise. Number two, system, like grammar, vocabulary, mechanic. Three, content, like understanding the topic. And four, a genre, like essay structure. The result, two key findings stand out. The first, true, all the four aspects of knowledge collectively correlate positively and contribute significantly to our essay quality. So you can just be good at grammar alone. And key finding two, individual the most important. This surprise when the test individually, it turned out that only process metacognitive knowledge significantly contributes statistically to writing quality. Although system knowledge, like grammar and vocab, numerically had the highest contribution value. It was not statistically significant. This means knowing how to plan, draft, and revise like process has a more certain positive impact on our essay greater than just knowing many grammar rules in a multiple choice tests. Alright, now let's discuss why this process knowledge is the hero. Process knowledge is essentially metacognition, our ability to think about how we write, starting from planning, like what should I write about, translating, putting ideas into words, to reviewing, revising. It's this process that activates all the older knowledge. Process activates content and genre. When we are in the planning stage, we think, what is the topic? And what is the structure of an opinion essay? Both are developed early in the process. Process activates system. When we are in the reviewing or revision stage, then we check our grammar, vocabulary, and punctuations. We use our system knowledge to correct the draft. So, the process is the engine. if the agent is good, or all other components like content, system, genre can work optimally. This proves that the process approach must be the top priority in writing classes. Another interesting data point, the student in this research, the average writing knowledge score was only fair, and their essay quality was mostly poor. Now that we know this, a few things immediately popped into my head. First, the missing contribution. This research states that the foreign knowledge aspect only contributes 29.2% to writing quality. That means about 70% is influenced by other factors. This made me wonder what other factors are dominant. Is it motivation, reading habits, or the quality of feedback from the lecturer? Second, the system knowledge paradox. What is knowledge of grammar and vocabulary, despite being theoretically crucial, not statistically significant? Is it because the knowledge tests multiple choice but doesn't reflect their ability to apply that grammar when writing a real essay? That is the gap between explicit knowledge and implicit or practical knowledge. And third, practical advice. The article suggests we need this approach, a combination of product like focus on grammar, process focus on the strategy, and journey focus on the text structure. This is the insight we must take home. Stop focusing solely on grammar all the time. So, the bottom line is for those of you who want your essay score to soar, prioritize process knowledge, learning how to plan, create a clean outline, and don't be lazy about revising. Education needs to adjust to curricula and syllabi must explicitly teach this writing knowledge, especially for students at a lower level, and most importantly, write more often. What do you all think? Do you agree that the process is more important than just memorizing grammar? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like my video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next article breakdown. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.